Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Working on the 148 scale Cessna 150 model again. Next part. Just got the motor glued into the mount, and this thing is running silent. I cannot believe my luck. This was making a lot of racket before, and I had to dead reckon the center line on how this thing was going to go in here so the shaft wouldn't vibrate on the cowling, but it's silent as a ghost. Moving forward now, I'm going to put the rest of the cowling canopy on there on the front. Okay, I'm ready to test fit the wing. We'll see if we can get all these wires pulled through. Yep, there they go. Alright, I think we're in. Okay. Well, I got the wing on. I got all the wires fed through the brass tube. I'd like to hook all those up and show, this thing functioning somewhat right now, but I just don't have the time. I'll have to cover that in the next, well, I'll have that working in the opening of the next episode. So I got the wing on glued and the empennage in the back here put up together. I got some putty work done to hide the wires in the back. That's it for this chapter. Thanks for stopping by to watch. I appreciate it all. And we'll see you next time.